Hey, what it do? I know it's been a little minute, but shit, let's just go ahead and get into it. One time, all my brothers. Y'all ready? Look in the booth, I just lock and load. Just take note that your ears I provoke and stimulate with a style. Or them try to simulate. I'm sick with the way I paint these pictures, I illustrate. I let my bars do the talking, demonstrate how they claim to go hard but flow delicate. Bowel movement on them haters, defecate. My hard work and dedication keep me separate from the bums and the crabs, reaching up, trying to grab, trying to pull me down. Born in this water, so I will never drown. Something like a shark, cause my swagger awfully sharp, like a new blade, machete. Either way, I won't delay from bringing you the loudest vibes that you ever seen. Steady spitting fire, so you know the mic would melt. Something like a grilled cheese sandwich, till I am established. And even after that, when I'm in the booth, it's like Babe Ruth is up the bat. You can call it a moment, cause they know that it's a rap. Something like emo tap, I do it, so cut the check. Pro with it, stay fresh, come get it now. Probably the reason they call me professional. I know a couple outfits, shout out to Ice Cold. Got some Raging Cajuns holding Weezy down. Chipper was a Michigan, let's get it touchdown. All the way to Winnipeg, what it do, what it is. Blue Bombers, and I'm going harder than concrete. You see, I'm steady, spitting heat like a flamethrower. It ain't over, I kill this beat and leave it smelling with a stank odor. Like a tank rolling into combat, visually vividly clear. Something like a contact, active view. Pretty soon I'ma be up on the map. Latitude, longitude, I'm the dude who be doing what these other MCs claim to do. I could rock to this from the word hippopotamus. I tell you that I would not miss. I keep it hot just like Origin. Yes, I am rhyming with orange, cause I am just steady scoring. Something like it from Jordan. These other MCs be boring. Never close to my caliber. Swim my flow like Excalibur. And they probably just mad at the fact that I just did it and do it. And I be flowing like fluid. Your head would bounce like a buoy. Like Nike, I always do it. Like Mikey, I would hit you with some kicks and a nunchuck flow. Hey, Ninja Turtles, Cowabunga, here I go. And you must just wonder how I switch my flow. It be in my genes, in my DNA stem loop. What you gon' do when I come through? Kicking flows like Kung Fu. You gon' yell Uncle, Ruckus, no relation. They be hating, cause I'm making track after track for this series of rap like Chipotle burrito. Be crushing competition like a bag of Frito-Lays. Metaphors and similes, literally kidding me? What it do? Hey K-Po, I ain't forget about you. One time Vancouver. You did.